What's up everybody? Chris with Committed 3D Tech here. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be talking about the difference between the XYO network and the Pi network. Now, I've been getting a lot of questions about what is Pi, should I be investing in it, and how is it different from XYO? There are a ton of differences, so I'm going to do a brief description of what the Pi network is, and then I'm going to compare that to the XYO network and fill everyone in on what that is. Now, they're still in beta, they're very new, but basically what it is it's a cryptocurrency that you can mine on your cell phone. Now, currently it's only available on the iOS or Apple phones, as far as I know. I'm guessing it's going to come back onto Android sometime in the near future though. When you go to the website, there's this video. I'm gonna play it for you just so you can see it. It's a quick 50-second video.
The future of money is evolving rapidly, and no one wants to be left behind. Mining Bitcoin is time and energy intensive, requires extensive physical resources, and advanced technical knowledge. Introducing Pi, the first and only digital currency you can mine on your phone. That's big. This novel approach, developed by Stanford PhDs, allows you to mine cryptocurrency on your phone by leveraging your existing social connections with no cost and no battery drain. Have a phone? You've got Pi. It's time to join the revolution. Download Pi today for Apple or Android and get your piece of the pie.
So this was really intriguing to me because it's something that I can use to mine a cryptocurrency on my phone, which I'm all about making money through cryptocurrency. So naturally, that was something that I was really attracted to. Now, the thing is, on all of the XYO forums, I know there's going to be someone in the comments who goes,
"Oh, but Chris, I thought you were all about XYO, and how can you betray them and go against them?"
Well, the truth is, I'm all for XYO, and the Pi network is completely different. Let me tell you why. The Coin app and the Pi network app both are free to use. Similarly, you are mining coins or tokens. The difference is XYO tokens are a utility token, which means the value of the token is based upon the utility that it brings in the world. Now, as most of you know, XYO is focusing on proof of origin right now, which means basically data from the network can be used to tell if something was actually in the location that it says it was. And if it wasn't, there won't be any proof of origin. Pi is a lot different because Pi is simply just a cryptocurrency. So the difference here is Pi is very similar to Volkswagen, for any of you fans. So back in the day, Volkswagen, or in German it means the people's wagon, it brought the car to the everyday person. And that's what Pi is doing for the everyday person. They're allowing everyday people to mine a real cryptocurrency. Another big difference, XYO tokens are actually worth money. They have had an initial coin offering. So you can mine them and you can sell them. Or you can hold them, which I recommend. And you can also watch any of my XYO show videos. You can also watch this specific video because it talks about why it's important to hold those tokens. Now, on the other side, Pi coins are not worth anything right now. They have a value, but you can't sell them. So they can't be exchanged for real money, which once again, that puts XYO on a whole different level than Pi. So one thing I really do like about the Pi network though is the app runs in the background. As far as XYO goes, you have to have the Coin app actually open to mine the coins. Now that's going to change in the future with bridges and geomining kits because basically there will be smart contracts that pull information directly from those bridges without you ever having to open your phone. The Pi network app though, you can close the phone, you can actually close the app, close your phone, and it will keep mining for 24 hours consecutively and ping you when it's time to start a mining pool again. I also like it because it's referral based. So this is something that the larger your pool of people mining, up and down. So not only the people who referred you and referred them, but also the people that you refer increases your mining pool, or how much you mine per hour, which is really great. And then the other thing is, as of right now, the Pi network doesn't need any additional hardware, whereas, as many of you know, with the XYO network, you need a Sentinel, eventually the bridge, and pretty much it can become somewhat costly to invest in the XYO network right now. Now, I've already seen a return on my investment, and I think it's going to continue to go even further. But that's the information. I'm also going to give you just a quick run through of what it's like to open the Pi app. So if you're looking for it, I'll put a link down in the description that you can click on. You will need a referral code. So you can just use my referral code. It's committed3D. So feel free to use that or use someone else's. I really don't care. Okay, so when you open the app, you're going to see this right here, where it basically just tells you what the rate is that you're mining at. It'll also run you through a tour. I don't think that's super important for me to go over. And then here it has the different levels that you can mine at. So it talks about being a pioneer. That's basically just you. You have the ambassador status, like I was saying. So pretty much the person who referred you, and then also the people that you refer is going to increase your mining pool. Really, I think that's a really great feature of it. Eventually there are going to be other ones like these contributor or the nodes. So you become a contributor once you've referred people, and then the node is something that's coming in the future where basically you can put a node on your computer and that will mine continuously for 24 hours, and that'll increase how many Pi coins you mine per hour. One other important thing that I wanted to mention is once you're signed in to your Pi network app, do not log out. I don't know if they're planning to fix this in the future, but when you log out and log back in, everything you've mined is gone. So just watch out for that. Don't log out until you're sure that, that error has been fixed. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. I'm really interested in the Pi network. I am still an avid geo miner when it comes to XYO tokens. You can subscribe to my channel and I will continue to update you on the Pi network. Also, make sure you tune in for the XYO show, which I come out with content every single week on the XYO network. I'm one of the few people who outlines it so thoroughly, and I've got some really exciting content coming up for you guys next week. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, there's also another button. Feel free to use that. Thanks for tuning in again. Once again, my name's Chris with Committed3D Tech, and we'll catch you next time.